Hello, this is Victor with QManager here. In this tutorial we will learn how to enter new contacts in our application database and what the different roles of the contacts mean. If this is the first time you're using the application after the initial setup, it is recommended to begin by entering your contacts information before proceeding to the My Sites and Inspect Site sections. Contacts can be directly assigned to sites and issues as you are creating them, so making it much more convenient to have them ready beforehand. Let us get started by entering the Contact section. Here you have two views. On the left, the list of your contacts will be displayed. Later on, when you have more entries, you may search through them using the attributes filters above. On the right, the details of the currently selected contact will be displayed. At this time, all fields are empty because we are yet to create one. Let's begin by entering the information for one of our contacts. In this case, a contractor company represented by Richard Webber. For the purposes of this tutorial, let us imagine that Richard Webber works for the Hammer Company, which is based in Germany, and we will enter some imaginary address in Berlin. We also have to select the role of this contact, whether they are a property owner, meaning that they own an apartment, a store, or some other part of a bigger site, or they are a site owner. They're responsible for an entire site. For example, a shopping mall, an apartment building, or a complex of houses. The contact may also be a tenant renting a piece of property, or a contractor who is responsible for executing construction-related services. In this case, we will define the Hammer Company as a contractor company. Further down, several additional contact methods may be entered. None of these fields are mandatory, but as an example, we will enter a phone number, an email, and a website address. Once we're all set, we click on the Save button. This creates our first contact entry and lists it on the left-hand side. In a similar fashion, you may enter all of your remaining business contacts. To do this, click on the plus above the search criteria. This creates a new blank. Typically, besides a contractor, at least one site and one property owner are required to be able to compose a proper issue report. To save time, I will fast forward to right after I'm done adding a few more entries. Alright, I have now added a site owner, a property owner, and a tenant. Those contacts will prove useful when creating site entries in our next tutorial. With this data entered, we're now just a few steps away from being able to inspect building sites and document deficiencies. If you would like to learn more about the remaining sections of the application, please see the other video tutorials that we have to offer. As always, thanks for watching and have a splendid day.